Them call me Foot Marley. To owe me and the Marley family them link. Me respected by the Morgan family. You see me? Me be loved by the Blender family. You don't realize say Foota is a different kind of youth. You don't wonder how the real people them rate Foota, so. You don't remember? I mean him Foota hype now. True me look so young and the girl them say me charming and them call me darling and me a big man, you know. A long time me a run the place, you know. Sean's good life. Tell them how long you are mad over me, Sean's good life. Tell them. Remember me rated amongst the greatest, you know? People, here what I want to say to you now, today. The new people them, where follow Foota hype on Instagram. You no need to learn me. Zine? The people them will like to speak about Foota hype. Listen what I want to stop do. Zine? Stop just watching YouTube clippings where the people them put up a try hustle money off of me. Follow my page and watch me live them in a real time. I'm telling you the truth now. Enough artists hate Foota and vex with Foota based upon what YouTube people write and they clickbait. Them never watch it live yet and hear for themselves what me saying that entirety if you understand what me are saying now. No, them run go over YouTube, the YouTuber put a clickbait, the YouTuber take out one little piece of what me say, spin a narrative with it and them hate Foota. Who Foota diss me rare and I never diss them. Never ever diss them. But for me real people them will know me now. Zine, you know say, I am not a kiss-ass person. I am not a yes man. I am not a fallabacker. I am not a dick taker or a dick rider. May I go speak my valid opinion and I am going to state facts. You understand what I'm saying? So, the people them will expect me to be a yes man or a fallabacker or a wagon rider obviously don't know Foota hype. You understand? They obviously do not know me. Because every day there's a new vlogger, a new social media person who wants to get famous and their go-to method to get famous